Okay, lesson 3-2, add integers. Let's begin with number 1 first. Okay, so look, working on this double sign together, you have minus 2, minus 22, and your plus with minus become minus 16. So you have a minus 22 with minus 16, like you owe somebody 22, and then now you owe somebody 16 more. So therefore, the answer to this one is still owing and is increasing. So you have 20. So when you put the negative like this, you're just combining this two number together. So it's like you will have as 22, and you combine with 16, and that will give you a 38. So minus 38 is increasing because let's say you borrow somebody 22 and you borrow them again 16. So together you will owe them, or that somebody 38. Let me do all this part. Number 3, just simply plus together, 16. Now this one you have minus 17 plus 20, and then this double sign, it become minus 3. So now minus 3 or minus 17 minus 3, you get this as minus 20. Then you plus 20. So it seems like you have 20, and then you borrow somebody $20. Right now you have 20, you need to pay them back. So when 20 minus 20, this becomes 0. 4 plus 5 is 9, of course. This one right here, 7 minus number 9, 7 minus, because plus and minus become minus 11. So right now you have $7, for example, and you owe somebody $11. So when you pay them back, you still owe them something because you owe them $11. This is minus 11, just for example. So you owe them $11, you have $7 to give them, so you still need to pay them more $4, or you still owe them $4 more. So this number, you have minus 10, so you have minus 10, you borrow somebody $10, is plus and minus become minus again 15. Alright, so you borrow somebody $10, now you borrow again $15. Together you will owe that somebody $25. Okay, for this section you got 21 minus plus with minus become minus 21, and then plus with minus become minus 4. So 21 minus 21 minus 4. So 21 minus 21 is no more, and minus 4 stay the same, minus 4. So number 6, you have negative 34, and then you have plus 25, and then plus and minus right here become minus 25. So you have 25 minus 25 is no more, and then all you have left is 3 or negative 34. This one right here, you have a negative 15, and then you have positive 8. In this particular case, for example, let's say you owe somebody $15. You have only 8 to pay your debt back. So therefore, when you pay your debt with $8, while you're owing them $15, you still have $7 more to pay them, or you still owe $7 more. So to answer this one here is a minus 7. Last number in this problem, you have number 10, you have 7, and then negative, not positive with negative become negative, so negative 19, and then negative positive become negative again, negative 7. So you have 7 minus 7, this is eliminated, no more. So all you have left is negative 19. Let's continue. From number 11 to number 14. Okay, Now let's read the instruction first. Write an addition expression to describe each situation, then find the sum and explain its meaning. Alright, seems like we have 3 answers to each of this question. First, write the expression, then find the sum of the expression, and then explain what does it mean. Let me read first. She has $152 withdrew. So since this is an addition expression, so you put plus, but since this withdrew, so minus 20, and then deposit, so put back $84. So that's for one and first answer for the right addition expression. After that, let's solve this problem to find the sum of this. So in other words, you have 152 minus plus and minus become minus. So 152 you minus 20 and then you plus 84. So you have this one as, if you put this one together, you have 142 plus 84 become 242, 84 become, wait, no, this is 34, this is 32 plus 84 become 216. After that, what does it mean by this? It means that Stephanie now has $216. That's what it means by that. Okay, and then for number 12, Ronnie receives $40. Okay, 40, and then plus, now since he's spending, so plus with negative 15, and find this answer. So you have 40, you divide, 40 minus 15 give us 25. Now that 25 represent that now Ronnie has $25 left. Okay, number 13. A quarter break is sacked for a loss of 5 yards. On the next day, his team loses 15 yards. Then the team gains 12 yards on the third day. Alright, so first write the equation of loss, so minus 15 plus loss again, so plus minus 15, sorry, this is plus minus 5 plus the loss 15, and then gaining plus 12. Now let's find the answer to this solution, to this expression. So you have a minus 5 minus 15 become minus 20. Minus 20 plus 12. So you still have minus 8 more to go. So the answer to this one is minus 8. So what does this represent? It means that his team loses 8 points. The team loses 8 points. Okay. Last number in section 3-2. A pelican starts at 6 feet above sea level. Alright. 60. Addition expression. It descends 60 feet. Alright. So it's minus 60 like this. So 60 plus or minus become minus. 60 minus 60 becomes 0. And what this 0 represent? It means that right now the pelican is now at the sea level. Alright, that is it for lesson 3-2. See you next time on the next lesson.